Please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell notification button. Hello everybody, this video we're going to solve infinite repeated fraction equation. Given 1 plus 1 over 0.5 plus another 1 over 1 plus another 1 over and so on and so on and so on, where 1 and 0.5s are repeated. Assuming the final answer is x. If you see carefully, you will notice that this part of the equation is also equals to x. Therefore, we can convert the equation become 1 plus 1 over 0.5 plus 1 over x equals to x. Or better, change the 0.5 become 1 over 2. Let's solve this equation. For simplicity, let's multiply 2x on the top and 2x on the bottom. That become 1 plus 2x over x plus 2 equals to x. 2x over x plus 2 equals to x minus 1. 2x equals to x minus 1 multiply x plus 2, which is equals to x power 2 plus 2x minus x minus 2. The 2x in the both sides can be removed. So therefore, we have a x power 2 minus x minus 2 equals to 0. This is a factorable quadratic equation. You have a x minus 2 plus 1. Okay, first possible answer, x plus 1 equals to 0, therefore x is negative 1. Well, obviously, this is not a final answer because we are expecting bigger than 0. So negative value is not acceptable. It's not the final answer. Therefore, x minus 2 equals to 0, x equals to 2. This is a valid answer. Conclusion, the answer for this infinite repeated fraction equation is equals to 2. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell notification button.